Then good morning, Jyoti.
Good morning, ma'am. How are you?
Yes, I'm doing good. And how are you, Jyoti? Thank you so much for asking me. How are
Yes,
you?
yes, ma'am. I am doing great. Everything is going smoothly. So,
Okay, that's good to hear. Good to hear. Oh, we have done a session earlier also.
yes,
Yeah.
yes,
So, but still, for my viewers, give me your introduction again.
yes, ma'am. Definitely. I would love to introduce myself. I am Jyoti Mishra. I am basically from Bihar, but I live in Pune. Previously, I was working in a corporate sector, but nowadays I am not working. I run a YouTube channel. As per my hobby concern, I like reading books, traveling, playing chess, and playing badminton. That's all from my side.
Oh, wonderful, wonderful to know about you.
Thank,
Okay.
thank you
So,
so
would you
much.
like to know about me? I think I need to introduce or not?
For your viewer, if you want, you can introduce. Otherwise, I know you, ma'am. I know you very well.
Okay. So, in a short, I'll introduce myself. Okay. So, as you know, I'm Alka and I'm from Lucknow. Okay. And I've done my master's also about my hobbies. I love to read and listen to music. And nowadays to interact with different people is been my favorite hobby. Okay, that's it. Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am. Lovely to know.
So just a minute, yeah.
Yes,
Somebody
ma'am.
was no, somebody was calling me. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to start with my first question to you. And you can ask me also any whatever you want to ask me, right?
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
So the first question is like why some people stop learning this language, English, you know?
Yes, ma'am. Very interesting question. I also had lots of self-doubt. When you start, you are not able to speak. This is the biggest challenge we have faced along.
Yes, right.
So we have lots of thought in our mind when we speak. People will judge me. That is
Yes.
the one thing I also had. So I can understand their feelings as well. But
Yes, yes.
if you have a strong mindset, you can go ahead because whatever we learn, we make mistake. It is part and parcel of life.
Of course. And they have a like fear of being judged. You know, they think if I'm making mistakes, people will judge me, they'll
Yes,
make
ma'am.
fun of me. So they
Yeah.
don't want that, like they lose their confidence. For that, to learn something, you need to have a good confidence as well as your self motivation.
Yeah.
That motivation is so much needed. It
Very
makes
important.
Yes, it drives you towards your goal, your motivation. If somebody is not motivating you, like I mean to say, if you're not external motivated, then you can be like your self motivated. You want to reach your goal. So feel that, think that, yeah, I have to reach my goal. I have to work for that. I have to be consistent with my work. Then only I can achieve. Then only I can reach my goal. So I mean to say, and people start for various reasons also like they start first, they think, okay, now going to learn this language, and after that they don't find good results, and they lose their patience. They lose their patience and they think, okay, I'm just going to quit this, and I'm not going to learn this because I'm not getting results. So for that,
Definitely.
you need to have a patience for that.
Yes,
What do you
ma'am.
think?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
patience is very, very much necessary, right?
Patience is very important and hard work. You will have to put your hearts
Yes,
and soul into the language because it is totally new. When you speak English,
yes,
we don't speak in our home. So you have to do some extra effort to learn this language
yes.
and persistence, effort you have to put. Then confidence is also important. We have a lot of self doubt when we start anything because
Yes.
English is related to our, like you can say, intelligence. Although
Of course.
it's just
Of
a
course.
language, but ironically, I can
Yes.
say in India, we say if you speak English, if you know English, you are
Yeah.
intelligent. You are
Yes,
intelligent.
right. And you are respected if you know English. Like if you are good at this language, you get respect wherever you go. People will respect you. Like
Yeah.
they
In,
think that a person is knowledgeable.
although
Yes.
it's just a language, we know a lot of language.
Of course.
I know three, four language, but just because of English, I think
Yes.
I get more respect. So everyone
Yes.
should learn. Initially, it is tough. I know for
Yes.
everyone it is tough. We all were
Yes.
pathetic. When I started my
Right.
journey, I was
Yes.
pathetic to speak. I was not able to speak. I
Yes.
had
Yes.
lots of camera phobia. But yes,
Okay.
we should have self control. No, I have this. Uh, I want to achieve this goal, so I will do.
Yes. Right. And everybody has that potential. What I feel is that God has given everyone a caliber, to do that, to reach their goal, but
Definitely.
they're not using it. And sometimes what I see is that even the family members, they don't allow them to do this, to learn this anything, to learn something new. So when I've seen many people, I've come across many people when I talk to them, they feel that no, my husband will scold me. So now he's
Yeah.
gone out. Now he's gone out. You can do conversation with me, ma'am, because he'll return after 1 hour or so, and in between you can do conversation with me. And
Yes,
sometimes
ma'am.
they're afraid of their mother-in-laws, they don't do sessions. And when she's gone out, and one, like I have spoken to one lady, she told me that, ma'am, now my husband is fast asleep, you can have a session with me because he will scold me. So the
Yeah.
support of the family members is needed to learn something new. So
Definitely.
they don't even support, to their wives or to their daughters. So it happens with many people. I've seen this.
Correct, ma'am. I couldn't agree more. I also had some session which they always mention, don't upload this video on YouTube. I want to connect with you, but don't upload.
Yes, even this fear they have a lot of inhibitions, like how will I do that? How will I speak? And the first thing is that they should never fear about their mistakes. It happens. If mistakes are a part of our life, whatever we do, and we do make them. It's not only we, even the grown-ups, I mean, children, everybody makes mistakes somewhere or the other, right?
Definitely, yeah.
Yeah.
We should
So,
allow ourselves to make mistake. We should have this
yes,
privilege. It's
yes,
okay.
right.
If you are
Yes,
learning, you will make mistake. Be
yes.
normal.
Yes, if I tell about myself, I was trying to make one some sweet, it's known as balushai. We people in UP call it balushai. So I was trying I learned the recipe from my neighbor. Then I went into the kitchen and I tried. The recipe of mine failed. It didn't taste good and everything was spoiled. Then again I tried. And again it failed. It didn't become good that much. Then was the third day when I tried, it made superb. I could make very well. So it happens with the practice. If you are consistent, you are practicing not only anything, whatever I mean to say, recipe is my example I gave you, but with everything, whatever you are learning for the first time, you might fail. But don't
Definitely.
give up. Yeah, I tell everyone, please don't give up. Just try to do it.
Yes, ma'am. Great
Yeah,
point. Great
yeah,
point.
yes. And my second question is like, how can we be a good communicator? You know? Yeah,
Yes, ma'am. There is lots of things. First thing, you will have to listen first.
yes, right.
First, if you are a good listener, you can be a
Yes,
good speaker. I
yes, right.
always, I always believe when I have session. Earlier, I had this thought. Okay, I need to reply first.
Yes,
Whatever guest will ask, I will have to reply. So my all attention was on speaking. But now,
yes,
gradually, I have learned. No, I need to listen first. I
yes, right.
cannot be in hurry.
Yes.
Then there is lots of things. Your body language, it is also count.
Yes, of course, of course.
It is not
So,
only about your
yes.
words. It is about your whole structure. How you
Ah,
speak,
of course, of course.
how you smile, your hand gesture, your
Yes, everything
politeness, your
everything matters. Yeah.
politeness, your confidence. Then
Yes.
comes your knowledge. What you speak, then comes your knowledge, confidence.
Absolutely. Absolutely. But it's a gradual process. Mean you want to become a good communicator. It doesn't happen. There's no miracle that it can make you a good communicator, right? So for that we need to have a patience for us. So for that, if you want to become a good communicator, try to practice each and every single day. Like 10 minutes you can give for reading, 5 minutes or 10 minutes you can give for your vocabulary building, and there are things, as many things you can do, some storytelling, whatever. And one more thing is that you can think in English. People often don't do this. They will feel something weird or what, I don't know. So you can think in your mind that anything you want to be a good communicator, think or your daily routine, what you have done today, or what you want to do in future, what you want, anything you can go with that. I mean to say, think in your mind. It's for everyone. And of course,
Definitely.
yeah, for the good communicator, you should try to speak aloud. Like, and when we want to become a good communicator, whatever you are reading, read it aloud so that your pronunciation becomes better.
Yeah.
Yeah, because your
Yes, ma'am.
pronunciation is not good, nobody would like to listen to you. It
Yeah.
happens.
Our
Yeah.
accent is very important. How you speak. If I will
Ah,
not understand, I will not enjoy
yes.
your conversation.
Correct, correct, correct. And of course, these are the something. Of course, one more thing, we want to be a good communicator. So be in the other person, and you well mentioned that your body language and the way we are speaking, it should be well maintained. And the eye to eye contact is very much necessary when you are communicating something. Suppose
Yeah.
I'm talking to you, we are communicating our thoughts. And if I'm not eye to eye with you, I'm moving my head here and there, you won't be able to feel good. It happens with everyone.
Yes, ma'am. Initially, it was with me when I connected with
Okay.
English reality tutor. They always mention, why are you looking here and there? So I was not able to maintain my eye contact. When I was thinking,
Yeah.
automatically I was looking here and there. But now I have worked on it. So I'm trying to look and the look on the eye only. We need to
Yes,
maintain
yes.
our eye contact. It is important.
Very much important. So
Yes.
you had a fear? Did you have a fear to talk to those trainers?
Initially, I had, yes. It was very
Oh,
high. Then
okay.
always they mention your English is good, everyone can understand. You just need to
Yeah.
maintain your eye contact. Your eye contact
Yes,
is
yes.
not good. I was looking here and there initially.
And
Automatically, it was automatically.
yes. And you mentioned one more thing that is very nice, like you mentioned to listen. We need to listen also. Not only, not it should not be like one-sided communication. Like you should need to listen to the other people also. So that the person takes interest in your whatever you are saying.
Correct, ma'am. We always thinking I need to speak after that. I was always in that mood, but now I think you need to listen, calm
Yes,
and
right.
compose. Then you can
Yes.
take a moment to think, then answer.
Yes, right, right. Very, yes. Truly said. Yes, very nice. Okay, so my third question, like it goes like, yes. Yeah, do you think that first impression is the last impression or the best impression? We feel that when we look at somebody, like when I see somebody beautiful, lady or girl, anyone, so we think, oh my God, that person is so nice. He has such a good personality, and the lady is so beautiful. So might be she has a good character of hers. We feel that. And she might be gentle, she might be kind, and all these things. But we can't judge a book by its cover, right?
Yes, ma'am. I am,
So,
first of all, this is very interesting question. Like first
yes,
impression, yes, I do believe, I
yeah.
have a strong belief in that. When you meet someone, your body language, your attire, everything matters in your first meet.
Yes,
But
right.
yes, sometimes I feel if you are in nervous, you not able to explain yourself. You are inside something else, but
Yes,
because of nervousness, hesitation, you are not able to explain how you are actually. So yes,
yes, right.
later you can expose yourself. You can explain. Yes, I am this type of personality. But yes,
Yes,
in
right.
first meet, it is somewhere we can say it is first impression. It really very matters.
Yes,
But yes,
yes. And for that, with the time we get to know about the person and how the person is. So here in my family, then they are the distant relatives of mine. And when they were trying to seek a bride for their son. My uncle only, he lives somewhere in UP. So I don't want to mention his name, over here. So they wanted to get their son married and they seek for a bride. The bride was very beautiful. She looked very nice. And she was educated as well. Yeah. But everybody thought, oh my God, she's coming, and like it's our destiny that we are getting such a good bride and all that. And they did a lot for her. They bought a good jewelry, clothes, whatever a person can give according to the caliber. So when they got married, after a year, she showed her all those colors of hers. Yeah, I told you that then only after that, all those, persons came to know, the family members. They were so shocked that we just, they just judged her by the cover of her superficially, but they never knew what inside she carries.
it is very common. Yes, ma'am. I
Yes,
couldn't agree more. In marriage, it is very common. You don't
yeah, it's very
understand
common. Yes,
how
yeah,
is the people actually, because on
yes,
the phone and our even after marriage, they are very good for couple of
yes,
months. Then you
exactly.
will let you know. Okay, this is my nature.
Yes, they show their true colors, after some time only. So we can't say that the person is good at the first sight. at the first moment. Not, I mean to say, when we should not be impressed on the first go, how the fun. So we can't judge anyone by the looks or by the way the person is carrying his clothes or whatever the garments is wearing. Sometimes what happens, a person, might be she's very beautiful from inside. I mean, the conduct is very nice, but she's not in a good dress. She's not beautiful. And there's an example in my family only. That lady, when she came to my house, and she was not at all beautiful, and she was just manageable. I mean to say, she had a long hair, big eyes, and a dark complexion of hers. Though people, when they saw her, like on first, so what impression everybody carried, that that bride is not
Not
beautiful,
beautiful.
not beautiful. How they agreed to this alliance, to their son. But after some time, she was really truly beautiful by heart.
That is matters a lot.
Yes, yeah, and she was really truly beautiful by heart. I mean to say, with her mind as well as with her heart, she was truly
Yes,
beautiful.
ma'am.
So
I
imagine,
also I also feel when I meet someone that is a stranger
yes,
for me, I am not able to express myself. It is my
yeah,
nature also.
yes,
Gradually, I become comfortable, but on the first go, if you meet me on personal, I don't think I am that much comfortable with new person. People
yes,
start judging me, so give someone time to express how
yes, right,
is their nature. It
yeah,
happens.
yes. So we should give some time to understand somebody, like, yeah. So my one more question is that, do you feel that the people separate their relationships, by the way they behave? What is one thing, I mean to say, what is one thing that separates people? Like a relationship. I think the way you speak to other person, it can make or break your relationship. The way you speak. So, yeah, throw some light on this subject.
So
Yeah.
you are talking about couple, husband,
Couple,
wife.
any relationship, friends, anyone, So
Yes,
the way,
ma'am.
yeah, the way we speak, sometimes we hurt their feelings, and they just drift away from our relationship. They'll go very far from us. They won't join us again. They will not like to talk to us, because somewhere or the other we had hurt them, knowingly or unknowingly. Right.
Correct, ma'am.
So it breaks the relationship. Only the small tongue, it's very small, the tongue is small, but the impact is very great, very sound, the impact is too great. So do you feel that? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. I believe the same. Our tongue plays a vital role in our how to maintain your relationship. It really
Right.
matters a lot. But there
Yes.
is some more things. Your behavior, give some space. There is some more reason. If someone
Yes.
is, everyone needs some space. I believe because I feel congested if I don't get space. My me time. If I want to read something, I need some space, some
Right.
freedom
Of
to
course. Of course.
what I want to do. I should have freedom. Then
Yes.
respect also. If you don't respect your partner, it is tough to maintain. Although you have love, but
Hmm.
still respect is also important.
Yes. And
Because
sometimes we are into conflicts, we get into argument, sometimes heated arguments with anyone. But with our, close relatives. Again, we'll go and approach to them to talk. So it happens. But who
yes,
are our friends, they break with their friends.
in
Because
first
the
go,
friend of, yeah, because the friend of theirs has spoken back about them. They have spoken something, they have hurt our feelings. So we think, I'm not going to talk to that person because he had hurt me. It
yeah,
happens.
yeah, it
And
happens.
sometimes it heals the wound also. If you're kind, you're generous to other persons, and the person will I mean to say his wound in the sense, like suppose you had someone and you approach that person and you speak kind and you feel guilty about that, you ask for the forgiveness. Definitely the way you speaking is so gentle, so kind, that the person will come close to you.
Yes, even though you made some mistake, you speak
Yes,
something wrong, but still
yes,
they will approach you. If you are a good person, your
yes,
heart is clean. You don't want to mislead anyone. Then
yes, right, right.
they
Yes,
want to talk to you
yeah, absolutely.
even after a conflict because it is part of life. We all
Yes, right.
fight in our home. It is very normal.
Very normal, very common, and that's why people say that, think twice before speaking.
Yeah.
And so without somebody are there, some people, they don't even think what they're going to tell, you know So we should think twice, not twice, at least once we should think,
Yes,
what we are going to convey. So this is the, biggest thing. It can make or break a, relationship of ours.
yes, ma'am.
Right.
Definitely, you are correct, and you have a great experience of life. So yeah, you
Yes,
are right. We should
right, right.
think first, then speak, because it can
Yes,
break anything. Because your words is something that has unlimited power.
yes, right, right, right. Yeah, it is a great impact. Really said that this is the smallest part of our, on a face, we have the smallest stuff, and it has a great impact, to heal or wound the person, Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So, do you have any questions for me, Jyoti? I think
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
done.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
you can ask me.
I have a
Yes,
question. What do you
yes.
think one quality is important to be a good leader?
To be a
What
good leader. Okay.
good leader?
Ah, leader, na leader. You said.
Yes,
Okay.
yes,
Okay, so to be a good leader, the one quality you ask, and that is, of course, that is again the communication. For that you
yes,
need to be a good communicator. As we mentioned about communication, what is communication? So you should be a good communicator, and when you want to become a good leader, you speak in that tone. That the other person is so much attracted to you that he has lost everything, and he is just with you, totally cut off from the world, and he is so much engrossed in your talking, the way you are speaking. So I
yes,
think
ma'am.
a good leader, one must be a good communicator also. And the
Yes, ma'am.
body language, as you mentioned, eye to eye contact, everything should be necessary, right?
It includes in conversation only. If you have a strong communication
Yes,
with your staff, your colleagues, it includes everything: your body language, your hand gesture, your behavior as well. So
everything.
yeah.
Everything matters. Really, it matters to be a good leader. Yes. Any other thing you want to ask?
No, ma'am. We have really amazing session with you. You are
Yes,
really a great
I'm really
in.
so much thankful to you, Jyoti, because when I called you, you were here with me. So I really, really appreciate this. And I'm very much thankful to you, Jyoti. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. It's my pleasure. Whenever you want, we can connect again. If you want,
Yes, yes. Why
yes,
not?
yes, we can take time because I love to connect with. If you have experience, so I learn a lot of things. So
Okay.
always
Yes.
enjoy when connect
Thank
with,
you so much. Yes.
yeah,
Thank
with my senior. Okay, ma'am. Thank you
you.
so
Okay.
much.
Bye. God bless you. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Take care.
Yes. Yes.